Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a hologram effect in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to add a hologram to this video over here with these horses, and let me just adjust the video positioning to where I want it. Now, let me just remove this one. I'll position the horses down, and I'll add the hyperlapse over it. And as you can see, now it is overlaid, and I'm just gonna crop this video, make it just a bit shorter so that it fits the hyperlapse. And let me just go all the way to the right, and this is comparatively a very long video. Just drag it over here, make it the same length, and as you can see, the hyperlapse is over the video of the horses. Now what you're going to want to do is highlight both and select, right click and select a new fusion clip, and as you can see, now the fusion clip has been created. But if I go into the fusion screen, as you can see, the video of the horses is invisible because this is covering it over here. But what you want to do is make sure that the hologram is above the actual background video that you want. So media input 1 is in my case the horses, media input 2 is in my case this hyperlapse. And now what we're gonna do is go ahead and modify this. Firstly, what we're going to do is click on media input 2, which is in this case the hyperlapse. We're going to go and search for brightness, and then once we've added the brightness, we're going to modify it a bit. We're going to modify the alpha gain and click on A over here in the inspector, then just modify the gain and make sure it's about 0.5 or wherever you think it is best. As you can see, I'm going to go into 0.4, make it a bit more transparent so the horses are visible. Then what we're going to do, click on brightness, control space, and search for DVE. DVE is just positioning for this video. I'm going to lower it a bit or make it a bit smaller, then position it over where I want. Let's say I want the hologram to be here, sorta, and make it a bit higher. Then we're gonna do the rotation and rotate it to wherever I want. Let's say I want to rotate it about here and make it sort of like that. And now what we're gonna do is click on DVE and control space. And now we're gonna add a shadow, select this one and click add. Then what we're gonna do, select a hologram color for the shadow. I'll take this neon green, then click OK. You can modify the softness if you want, you can modify whatever you want here, but that is pretty much it for that. Then once we're happy with the color, control or shift space again while selecting shadow and search for soft glow. As you can see, it looks like that. Then we're gonna modify the gain to be a bit less, and now as you can see, it looks like a hologram. And if I go all the way to the beginning and play the actual clips, as you can see, it's taking some time to render everything, but let me just change it back to its original position, try to play it again, and as you can see, now we have this sort of hologram. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.